everyone, it's Christina. Welcome to my channel. I have a fall DIY that I am doing today. I would really love it if you stick around and check it out, see how I made it. And if at the end of it you like it, I'd love it if you like the video, share, subscribe to my channel, and let's get to it. Okay, I am ready to go. I have my pieces ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this Java colored chalk paint. It's a darker color, and I'm just going to put some of that in this little cup here. Sorry, this little cup here. And yes, I did get this from Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to go get some water, and I'm going to mix this up and kind of make a stain. Okay, so I might have put a little too much water in my cup, but we're going to see how it turns out. So I'm just going to take this and start going over my board here. And I'm just going to do both sides of the board because I'm not sure how this is going to go together yet. There, I'm just going to wipe that off a little bit as I go. And since the inside top might be showing a little bit, I'm just gonna do both sides and all the edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done because I think this is gonna take a little bit, and then I will come back and show you how I'm gonna put my project together. Okay. So as I'm doing this, I totally forgot to mention that I got these wood planks from Dollar Tree. So I'm just taking 4 of these Krafts square wood planks and I am staining them. Okay, my hot glue gun is all heated up and ready to go. I did notice that there was some stuff on this board, so I'm gonna try to make sure I put that on the inside. Okay, so this is my plan. We're gonna see how it works. So I have some of this nautical rope from Dollar Tree, and I am going to try to put this together using the nautical rope. So let's see how this goes. I'm just going to kind of take my time here at first. This is going to go, you know what, I should probably flip this around so I can see what I'm doing. This is just going right on the edge of my board here. Trying to get it nice and flat, push it down. All right, now the difficult part for me is going to be cutting this. Did I say nautical rope? I think I did. Jute rope cord. Yeah. Anyways, all right. So I'm gonna cut these ends. Okay, and then this board. Yeah, I want this one. Well, no, let's go with this one. Okay, so then this board is gonna go on top of the nautical rope here. Kind of want to make sure that I get this in the right spot. All right, so I'm just gonna hold this up against here. Here, I'll kind of turn this. I'm gonna put some hot glue on here, and then, okay, that is gonna get attached onto there. Okay. So I got that side done. It's not perfectly straight. I'm doing my best to get it straight. All right, then I'm gonna put some on this side. All right, and then I'm gonna cut that one off. Oh, looks like I gotta put a little more hot glue on there. And this one is going to get put on here. I'm a little like worried and wondering No, that should work. I think it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna set that one down for right now. And then I'm going to glue this one on this side. I'm assuming that it turns out pretty good because if it didn't, you probably would not be seeing this video. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to trim that top off a little bit yet too. All right, I'm just wondering if I should maybe try to put some supports in here. I don't know, didn't really wanna, I don't know, I think it's gonna hold pretty decent. But I guess we're gonna find out. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside, and then I am going to, and that should be right if I put the rope like this. Okay, so, oh yeah, make sure this part's on the inside. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the rope on both ends of this one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this side cut and then get it on the other side also. Okay, so I have that on there. Then I'm gonna stick this one on here. So that's gonna go right there. And then I'm gonna attach the other side. Do not have a steady hand tonight. Okay, my box is put together. It's not standing completely straight, but it's not bad. All right, I'm just gonna take my lighter here quick and go around and burn some of this off of here. So this is probably gonna take a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this done and then try to figure out what I'm gonna do after this. So my box is actually a little bit wobbly, as you can see that, which, I mean, I guess I kind of figured that was gonna happen. But anyways, I am going to, I'm going to try this and see how this works. But I have this little chunk of pool noodle that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to try to size it to fit in there. So I don't have a pool noodle knife, so I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife here and cut a little bit out. Hopefully I didn't cut too much. Now that I look at it, I think I might have cut too much. Kind of, yeah. But that's actually going to give it a little bit more stability, and then I can stick my flowers in there. Okay, you know what? I think the pool noodle would actually work really good, but my daughter had just recently given me some craft supplies, and she got me this foam. So I think I'm going to try to cut out a square to stick inside of there. So I'm going to go off camera though, because I don't voice over my videos, and this is going to be really loud cutting through here, so. Okay, well, that was kind of a nightmare. So that made a huge mess. My X-Acto knife wasn't working, so I went and got a steak knife from the kitchen. But I did get it all sized up, and I got it in here, and it's nice and firm in there. So I'm just going to leave that in there. I'm not even going to try to hot glue it or anything. It's just going to stay right like this. So let me get this cleaned up. So I'm kind of in the home stretch here. I went through my decorations that I have, and I found these little leaves. Pretty sure I got those from Dollar Tree. And these I bought these like a long time ago for a project that I did. So I think I'm going to decorate this with that. And I think I'm just going to kind of put these on here like this. And then that's just going to be my decorations on there. So I'm going to go ahead and hot glue this leaf onto here. And now these little ones, I'm gonna get see if I can get my art glitter glue out, because if I try to hot glue those, that's just gonna be a disaster. So I'm just gonna take my art glitter glue because it's got a little tip. And it supposedly dries clear, so I use this for card making. So I'm just gonna use that to put those little appliques on there. And since I have enough to do both sides, I'm gonna flip it over and just do it double-sided. So I'm just gonna flip that over. And let's see, I put it this way on that side. Let's put it this way on this side. No? That side looks kind of weird. Okay, we'll just do that side. Okay, now that it is all done, I'm gonna put my floaters in. So, on my last trip to Dollar Tree, which has actually been a while, I got these leaves and these flowers here, and I'm gonna put these in here, but I think I need to cut them down a little bit because I think they're a little tall. Well, it looks like I'm missing something on that one. So I'm thinking, yeah, looks like I'm missing a couple flowers on this. I don't know if I just didn't check it when I was in the store or what. I don't know, I think that might be kind of tall. I'm just gonna cut it off a little bit. So I'm just using my, I think it's a wire cutters? I don't know. And I'm going to stick these in here. And then I have these leaves that I got. So I probably should have had these all prepared. I gotta take the tags off of these. Oh, thank God that one came off really easy. Alright, so not exactly sure how I'm gonna put this in here. I think I still might have to cut these down a little bit. I think they're kind of big. Great. And then, let's see if I can get this in here. Probably should take some of the leaves off and like move them around so they kind of intertwine a little bit more. You know, or like pop their heads off, that's what I'm saying. And then switch them to the different branches. And I think the flowers would look like better in the middle. Okay, let me arrange this to see where I like it. So I just kind of put them in there and I just kind of twisted the leaves around to get them kind of all over the place. And then I have these little wheat things that I got off of Temu, but these stems break really easy. So I need to be really careful when putting these in here. And they can't, I don't know that I'm really gonna get them in the foam. Yeah, they're starting to break already. I try to push it in the foam and they just kind of break down. Yeah, okay, it just, and it's done. So I'm just gonna kind of try to stick these in here wherever I can without sticking them in the actual foam down there. Okay, and then there's just one more thing that I'm gonna do to this. Let's see, maybe one more of these. And then it's going to be done. And that is to take some Spanish moss and stick it in the top right here. So I don't have much of my Dollar Tree stuff left. It's pretty much done for, but I did buy some off of Amazon, so I might have to pull those out. So I'm just gonna stick this in the top right here and just kind of go around with it. So that's, yeah, I think that's pretty much all of my Dollar Tree stuff. I have been to Dollar Tree multiple times and they have not had any more of the Spanish moss, so I had to order some off of Amazon. So I bought this. Let's open it up and see what it's like. Yep, just as messy as the Dollar Tree stuff. Oh, I totally missed that one. Thought I had that in there. I poked it right out the other side. Alright, so I'm just gonna stick this in here. It's a little bit different than the Dollar Tree stuff. But it will work. It's got some like, excuse me, really, jeez Louise, really like long strings in there. I've never seen that before. Alright. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, that's it. It's all finished. So I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, for just using some Dollar Tree planks, I think it's going to be a cute little fall centerpiece to put out. So, yep, that's it. That is the end of my tutorial. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love it if you like it and share it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.